Making addition word problems. Hi, Year 1 kids. Hi, it's Mr. Thin. So today, your goal is to write a word problem that someone else has to solve. And I'm going to write one today. And afterwards, Miss Chung's going to have to solve it, okay? So let's do it. Just try to trigger a bit. All right, let's go. All right. I have to give a word problem, right? And I have to give it, I want to use Miss Chung. Mrs. Chung has 25 cookies. Because, I think she likes cookies, I believe. We'll say Mrs. Oh, no, I'm going to change 25. I'm going to 25. I'm going to change it. 20. No, I'm going to change it to 18. I'm going to change it to 18. Mrs. Chung has 18 cookies. Mrs. Wan gives her 16 cookies. How many cookies does Mrs. Chung have now? Look, I'm going to read it. Mrs. Chung has 18 cookies. Mrs. Wan gives her 16 cookies. How many cookies does Mrs. Chung have now? Now I'm going to have Miss Chung solve it now. Come on, Miss Chung, it's your turn.
Okay, so here Mr. Thin has given me a problem to solve. And I'm going to set it up to be solving with my snap cubes, my 10s and 1s. So Mr. Thin said I have 18 cookies. I know that there's one 10 stick in 18 and 8 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then Mrs. Wan has 16 cookies. So in 16, we know that there is one 10 stick and 6 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first thing I should be asking myself is, do I need to be regrouping the ones? What do you think, your ones? I think I do, because remember, in the ones house, we can't have 2-digit numbers. This is way too many. So here I have 8. I need to remember who is their friend. 8 and friends of 10 is, can you know? Do you know? That's right, we need 2. They're friends, we can't separate them. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of friends of 10 into the one house, but we know that the ones house we can't have 2 digits. So I'm gonna have to move the 10 stick over to the 10 house, group it together, and I know that 18 plus 16 would equal 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So now that I have solved it with my 10s and 1 stick, I can be solving it with my additional vertical format. So here we have 18. Remember to line it up with your 10s and 1s house. Plus 16 over here. And I know that according to my blocks that there is 4 1s left. And I have, so 110 plus 110 plus 110 equals to 310. So I'm going to put the 3 down here. So I know that 18 plus 16 equals to 34.
Wow, Miss Chung, thanks for sharing that way. I like how you used your 10s and 1s to solve it with the vertical addition. But you know what? I know more ways to solve it. I'm going to use, what other ways do I know of? That's right, we learned number bonds. So I have 18 plus 16, right? Then I say, how would I break this up? I might break this up to say, number bonds, remember, we want to make a number to the 10s and 1s, right? Maybe I break this up into 10 and 6. Because I know that 18 plus 10 is 28. Then plus 6 more, like that. And then 28. Then I might say 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 equals 34. So 18 plus 16, another way is 34. Maybe another way, Miss Chung, I know it's a lot. The jump strategy, 18 and go all the way 16 more to get 34. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 30. And I could double check by counting. 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 18 plus 18 does mean 30 because I proved it here with the number bonds and I proved it here with counting on strategy. Are there more ways? I'm sure there is. Now you go try it. Make up your own word problem. Challenge someone at your house. Your mom, your dad, your sister, your brother, your grandma, your auntie, or whoever lives at your house, okay? See ya!